Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. To my new subscribers, I want to say you are welcome to this family. Thank you so much. For my oldies, thank you. God bless you all richly. Today I'll be sharing with you my authentic classic Egusi soup recipe for your Christmas, for your party and other wonderful events. So if you'd like to know how I went about this Egusi soup recipe, please stay till the end of this video. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified anytime we upload new videos. Subscribe, share, like my videos and comment. I love to see your comments. Here I have my beef tripe and I've gone ahead to cut them. I just have to cut them in these big sizes because I don't want it tiny bits in the soup. You know, by the time you finish cooking it, seasoning it, it will look shrinked. So I like to just leave it on this size for soup. I've cut down all the beef. I'm going to start parboiling it before I start marinating. And here is our cow feet. It's already cut. We're going to be washing some fresh bitter leaf also. So guys, this is the fish I'm using, stockfish. That's the one I like to use. So we're going to parboil this fish. We're going to parboil this fish, guys, so we can get started. I've gone ahead to wash my protein very well. Make sure you wash your protein very well. Here's our cow feet, nicely washed. Gone ahead to wash it very well. As you can see, it's all nice and clean. I'm not going to cook the beef together with the cow feet and cow skin. No, I'm going to be cooking the cow skin, the cow feet and the beef tripe together with the stockfish, so that all of this we cook nicely because they are always very hard to cook. Make sure you wash your stockfish nicely. When I buy this stockfish, I buy the best. Can you see? There's no ants or whatsoever in it. When you're buying this stockfish, just buy the one that is fresh. Even though it's very expensive, but it's better to buy something good. It's better to buy nice one. Better to buy clean one than to buy anyone that has all those ants and all that in it. Our stockfish is nice and clean. So that's what I'm going to add to the pot first. I'm going to add the stockfish first because it's hard. So I want this whole thing to cook very well. So the next thing that will go in is my cow feet. So add your cow feet in, add it in. The thing that will be going in is my beef tripe. So add it in like so. So all of this, add everything in. I'm going to season this nicely and get it started. I've gone in with some Maggi seasoning and I went in with salt. So season with whatever you choose to season with, okay? So I'm going to add my onion like so. I'll blend some peppers and add to it. I've gone ahead to blend all my herbs. I'm going to add it in. I'll show you a special recipe on my herbs, this very type of herbs, because this one is a different one for the kind of thing I'm cooking. So I've gone ahead to wash my hen nicely. I'm going to add it to the pot of goodness. I didn't want to add it at the same time because I want to allow the cow feet and the cow skin and the stockfish to cook well. So the stockfish, the cow feet, the beef tripe has been cooking since over 45 minutes. So I'm adding the chicken because the chicken will cook faster than the cow feet and the beef tripe and even the stockfish. So this is how you want to go about it if you don't want to waste time. I'm doing this because I don't want to waste time. I have a lot going on the stove. So I want to quickly make use of the chance that I have, and this will cook together and it will still give me the same beautiful taste. I'm going to add a little bit more of my seasoning, which is my herbs, a little bit more salt because this is fresh, a little bit more Maggi. These herbs, I have onion and all the rest of them. So I'm going to just stir this together and let it. Just a little water. Just push it down like so. That's all you need to do. Trust me, this way you won't waste time. You will cook a lot with less amount of time. I'm going to taste. It tastes so good. Okay, let's close it up and allow it to cook nicely. So here is my beef. I've gone ahead to marinate. I'll allow it to rest for like 30 minutes and then I'm going to grill it. So for this Egwusi recipe, I'm using raw Egwusi, like ungrounded one. I'm going to be grinding it myself. This is a lot of Egwusi. I'm going to wash this nicely. I'm going to wash this Egwusi very well. So if you have this Egwusi, make sure you pick it nicely and make sure you wash nicely. So I'm going to be using some scotch bonnet, yellow and red, and then I'm using some bell peppers. Okay, I'll clean this up and I'll blend it together with the Egwusi. I have some peppers in there already. Oil, a very good oil, and I hope you want to try it. So to my pot, I'm going to add some oil so we can start making our Egwusi soup, Christmas Egwusi soup. You can just chop in some onion just to get flavor. That's all. Remember, we have onion in our Egwusi already blending. But yeah, this is just for flavor's sake anyways. Okay. So go ahead and add your ogiri. If you blend well, this is what you get. Blend, blend, blend until it is very smooth. Very smooth. I'm going to go in with my Egwusi. Guys, we are making a very big pot of Egwusi today. This is Christmas soup, family. So we're going to be adding the last one, guys. I told you we are doing a lot of Egwusi today. We are doing a very huge pot of Egwusi today. So you just mix it in your oil, mix everything in nicely, and let it start cooking. It will form until you are okay that is cooked, because Egwusi has to cook well before you start adding some things. Okay, so I will let it form and then I'll show you the next thing that will be going in. Make sure you're stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt. You don't want to eat burnt Egwusi soup, right? This is another method for your Egwusi, party Egwusi. This is Christmas classic Egwusi soup recipe. I'm using all of this fish, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean them nicely and throw them in the hot water. Just make sure you clean nicely and throw in the hot water. So guys, these are all the fishes. I'm going to add it here because I want it to start cooking together with the Egwusi. I'm going to add it into the Egwusi. Always wash your fish very well with hot water and salt. That way you will get rid of the sand and you won't have to be eating and be getting some sand out of your food. Here is our meat. All ready. Now the stockfish is right there. So I'm going to go in now. No. Add in your crayfish. And you're going to stir it together. Look at that. Look at that. The Egwusi keep rising. So I added the fish so that everything can start cooking. I still want people to pick some pieces of fish. I'm not going to add my meat now because my meat was properly cooked, like tender, very, very tender. So I'm going to add it when I've finished making the egusi. See, very tender. I don't want people to pick up meat and it's very hard. I'm going to add my meat broth. I'm going to add my meat broth. I'm going to add some Maggi seasoning, guys. So guys, I'm trying to break this stockfish because one person can just carry the whole of this stockfish. So I always encourage you to boil your stockfish until it is very soft and tender, so that way you won't be eating hard protein in your soup. Our soup is almost ready at this point, so I'm just going to add the fish, stir it all together, and I'll start adding the protein. And yeah, in less than 15 minutes the soup should be ready. Guys, I'm trying to pick the meat, put it one at a time so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to add this. This is another one. Chicken. Who will carry this stockfish? You don't they lock you. That's how I go leave them. I'll just leave all the stockfish like this. I like to leave it that way. Guys, this is it for your Egusi soup. Party Egusi soup. This one no get space, so let's taste, guys. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook. Guys, let's cover it and let them get to marry each other. You know what I mean? So guys, voila. I'm going to add some bitter leaf. We are using bitter leaf here. Okay, we're going to add some more vegetables. And yeah, our soup is ready, guys. Ready. Our soup is ready, guys. Our party Egusi soup is ready. This is how you want to go about your party Egusi soup. Your Christmas Egusi soup, guys. Trust me, you will love. Uchi's team, I hope you have loved this classic Egusi soup recipe. Please stay tuned for more wonderful videos. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. Deep into this deliciousness. Guys, I almost forgot this. I like a lot of traffic in the soup, so don't mind me. The soup get hold up. Road no day. Look at that Egusi soup. What do you think? Drop your comment and let me know if you're going to try this. Look at that Egusi soup. It's speaking some beautiful languages here. This Egusi soup is speaking good language. Oh. Look at this Egusi soup. I hope you're going to try this and let me know in the comment section. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Thank you all so much. I am very grateful for always tuning in to watch my video. I am very grateful. Words cannot be enough to say thank you. Thank you, Gucci's team, thank you. My new subscribers, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Come and eat. Come and eat this delicious soup. I wish you guys were here to eat this soup with us. I wish to throw a party to all of my subscribers. But anyways, just eat from this video. Eat from here.